Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Marley with Family First Chiropractic. And if you're struggling with getting quality sleep at night, try these 5 surprisingly simple but probably not known solutions to poor sleep. So if you're missing sleep, you're setting yourself up for heart disease, diabetes, obesity, low energy, but most importantly, healing. When you're sleeping and in a deep sleep, repair happens. So, apnea. So, obstructive sleep apnea. If there is a blockage in the airway of the pharynx, larynx, or trachea, if you're a back sleeper and you sleep on your back, and if this is your airway and your pillow is too big, too thick, it'll push your head forward, causing obstruction, causing a bend, a kink, if you will, in the airway. So try smaller pillow if you lay on your back. Stress. Handle your stress. Stress is stress to the body. Stress shows up in the body, in the nervous system, and in muscle tension. And there is a delicate balance in your autonomic nervous system that has to be present for you to be able to get quality sleep. So if you're stressed, exercise. Exercise is proven to decrease stress hormones, and when those decrease, then the sleep hormones can increase. Headaches. If you sleep on your back and your pillow is pushing your head forward, it creates extra strain. Strain at the top of your neck, irritating the delicate nerves that, when they're irritated, won't allow you to get quality sleep. So, by pushing your head forward, irritation, headaches, less quality sleep. Now, insomnia. It's been shown that we sleep better in a blacked out room. So, omit the lights, omit screen time before you go to bed. Your body knows dark, light, sleep, circadian rhythms. There's a delicate balance that happens when there is too much light in your room. So the little lights, the shades, get a dark room, sleep better. Last, back pain. Again, if there is pain present, nerve irritation present, it's impossible to get good quality sleep. So if you experience back pain, pain between your shoulder blades or neck, maybe try chiropractic. Chiropractic has a proven track record with reducing muscle tension and eliminating the cause of pain. So if you're looking for a great chiropractor, check us out. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to hear your story. We'd love to help you sleep soundly. Chiropractic has a proven track record for helping men, women, and children of all ages sleep better. So I hope these 5 tips to better quality sleep help you get some better quality sleep. I'm Dr. Joel Marley, Family First Chiropractic.